There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, just chewing some gum. Make some good chewing noises on camera. Anyway, this is I don't know, probably a Tool Hoarder Tuesday video. I don't know. Anyway, I picked up this cool little vise. You can see it on an angle there. It's pretty cool. It's tiny. You see it this way from the front, the side. I don't know. Let me see if I get a better angle here. Yeah, it's better lighting. Anyway, I'll put it down here. It's pretty cool. I paid like under 20 bucks for it. I don't remember. It was like 10 bucks or something. $15. Just missing the little cup thing, I guess it would have been there. It's pretty cool. Could always make a new bolt. Get a rod, thread it, or just put tack weld and buy a little, put a thing on there. Pretty cool. It's originally green. It says made in USA over here, I think. So I got this brush here. It says made in USA. There's a 24 or 21 on here, and that's it. That's all it says. Pretty cute little find. Bought that. Picked it up at the antique place. I didn't find any cool wrenches or anything, but that's just my mini unknown vise, just for a short little video, and we'll go make another video.